198 species in genus Encyclia. Encyclia, an orchid genus that holds my fascination. Orchids have always captivated me with their intricate beauty and diverse forms. Among the many orchid genera, one that holds a special place in my heart is Encyclia, belonging to the Orchidaceae family. This diverse group of New World orchids, with their vibrant colors and intriguing shapes, never ceases to amaze me. A closer look at Encyclia. The name Encyclia originates from the Greek word enkykliomi, meaning to encircle. This refers to the unique way the lateral lobes of the orchid's lip encircle the column. This distinctive feature, along with their often fragrant blooms and relatively easy care requirements, makes Encyclia a favorite among orchid enthusiasts like myself. Encyclia orchids are predominantly epiphytic, meaning they grow on other plants for support, typically trees. They thrive in the tropical and subtropical climates of the Americas, from Florida down to Argentina. Their habitats range from humid rainforests to drier savannas, showcasing their adaptability. Diversity within the genus. The genus Encyclia boasts a remarkable diversity, with over 190 recognized species. Each species possesses its own unique charm, varying in size, color, and fragrance. See full list at monsteraholic.com. My personal experiences with Encyclia. My fascination with Encyclia began with a single Encyclia crudigera plant. I was immediately drawn to its vibrant pink flowers and intoxicating fragrance. As I delved deeper into the world of Encyclia, I was captivated by the sheer variety and unique beauty of each species. Over time, my collection has grown to include several different Encyclia species. I find immense satisfaction in providing the proper care for these orchids, observing their growth, and witnessing the breathtaking beauty of their blooms. Each new bloom feels like a reward for my dedication and a testament to the resilience and splendor of these plants. Cultivating Encyclia orchids. While Encyclia orchids are generally easy to care for, they do have specific needs to ensure optimal growth and flowering. Here are some key aspects of Encyclia cultivation. Light. Encyclia orchids thrive in bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch their leaves. Water. These orchids prefer to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Humidity. Maintaining adequate humidity is crucial for Encyclia orchids. Regular misting or using a humidity tray can help. Temperature. Most Encyclia species prefer intermediate temperatures, with daytime temperatures around 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 29 degrees Celsius, and nighttime temperatures around 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 18 degrees Celsius. Potting medium. A well-draining potting mix is essential. A mix of bark, perlite, and sphagnum moss is often used. Fertilizer. Regular fertilization during the growing season encourages healthy growth and flowering. By providing the right conditions, you can enjoy the beauty of Encyclia orchids in your own home. The allure of Encyclia. Encyclia orchids, with their diverse forms, vibrant colors, and captivating fragrances, hold a special place in the world of orchids. Their relatively easy care requirements and adaptability make them a rewarding choice for both novice and experienced orchid growers. As I continue to explore the fascinating world of Encyclia, I am constantly reminded of the beauty and resilience of the natural world.